In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment processor in Ecwid. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or looking to enhance your existing setup, having a smooth and efficient payment process is crucial. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Ecwid account. If you haven't signed up for Ecwid yet, make sure to create an account first to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your Ecwid admin panel. This panel is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your store, from products to customer interactions. Now that you're in the admin panel, the next step is to move towards the payment settings. Locating this should be fairly intuitive. Simply head over to the settings section, typically found on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once you're there, select payment, which will help you access everything related to payment methods. Here, the magic begins as you add a payment processor. And for our example today, we're going to use Square. So, in the payment section, scroll down a little until you find payment alternatives. You'll notice an option that says other ways to get paid. This is where you'll make the selection to support the payment processing service that best fits your needs. Once you're at the drop-down menu that says choose payment processor, look for Square and click on it. Square is a popular choice because of its ease of use and reliable service. With Square selected, you're now ready to authorize its integration with your Ecwid store. To get things rolling, click on Connect and Enable. This will initiate the authorization process. For this, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, these prompts will walk you through logging into your Square account and granting the necessary permissions for Square to process payments through your Ecwid store. Once you've successfully connected and the authorization is complete, you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune your settings. This includes deciding which specific payment methods you wish to accept, configuring how taxes are handled, and adjusting any other settings that are crucial for your business operations. And there you have it, you've successfully added a payment processor to your Ecwid store. This setup can make a significant difference in how seamlessly customers can make purchases from your store. Remember, you can always return to the payment settings if you need to make adjustments or if you decide to change processes in the future. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials to help streamline and expand your e-commerce capabilities. Happy selling!